The Queen of Stage, Spice, recently shared her life story from humble beginnings to her recent future with Forbes magazine. Spice gave insight into what motivated her to overcome poverty and adversity. She also spoke about her music career, her upbringing, and her journey to now being the Queen of Stage. The Summer Like It DJ, who has been in the industry for 2 decades, noted that she drew inspiration from her mother, who was a fisherwoman and sold the fish she caught at her restaurant in the community, which was frequented by tourists and visitors from Kingston. Now, according to Spice, this is what fueled her entrepreneurial spirit, along with the hardship she endured in giving birth to her ambition and drive to succeed. Spice has since launched several businesses, including her label Spice Official Entertainment, a clothing line, Grassy Noir, her Faces and Laces line that sells wigs, makeup, and beauty products. Spice also released her long-awaited debut album 10 on August 6 and has been riding the wave of success from her lead single Godongde with Shaggy and Sean Paul. The childhood home of legendary musician Bunny Wailer was destroyed by fire on Sunday. The cause of the fire is not yet known and is currently under investigation. However, Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange revealed that the government has committed to restoring the boyhood home, which was declared a protected site by the Jamaican National Heritage Trust in 2018. Bunny Wailer lived at the property with his father, sister, and stepmother, Sedella Booker. The community of Trenchtown is also where Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer met Peter Tosh and became the Wailing Wailers. Minister Grange also noted that the 2-story house on 2nd Street represents the space in which the creative genius of 3 Jamaican artists put to music their sorrows, struggles, determination, and messages of love underpinned by Rastafari philosophy and the reggae beat. Minister Grange said the Jamaican National Heritage Trust would soon commence an assessment of the damage to the structure towards restoration. Now, on the international scene, plans are set for a reboot of the 1992 hit movie The Bodyguard, which featured the late Whitney Houston and Kevin Costner. Warner Brothers announced plans to remake the iconic movie, and after a number of setbacks, the project is finally underway and is set to begin reimagining the 90s romantic thriller. The Bodyguard launched the acting career of Whitney Houston. In her debut movie, Houston played a singer who is protected from an unknown stalker by a former Secret Service agent played by Costner. The Bodyguard became the second biggest film at the worldwide box office in '92 and features Houston's rendition of Dolly Parton's I Will Always Love You, which became the singer's most popular song. The track was also the lead single on The Bodyguard, the original soundtrack album, and won Album of the Year in '94 at the 36th Annual Grammy Awards. I Will Always Love You also spent 14 weeks at number 1 on the Billboard US chart. The details have not been revealed in the cast, the plot, or potential release date. I'm Deidran reporting for ePrime.